This is like Studio Airport. The facilities is exceptional. Location is near airport 1.5 kilometers away, but major tourist attraction like walking streets are very away, like 10 kilometers in D1. But these areas are good and developed, and lot of stores, coffee shops, food down the hotel in 100 meters just walk. Smiley face. Nice stay. Pros: very helpful owner, nice location, value for money, clean, free water, free laundry plus powder. Cons: issue with aircon, loosen wing, bathroom with less privacy. Smile. Good place, helpful host. The room is nice and was organized with sufficient facilities for long stay. My husband and I stayed for 4 nights and really liked the place. The free coffee was also so good. Recommended for travelers either single or couple. Wonderful homestay. Ben and his staff are very welcoming and helpful. Ben speaks very good English and certainly did everything possible to make me feel welcome on my first trip to Vietnam. The room was clean and modern and the bed was so comfortable. Access to a clean kitchen and the smell of fresh roasting coffee from downstairs made this a unique and comfortable homestay. Thank you for the excellent hospitality. Not much time to enjoy, but happy with the given service. It's good overall, room cleanness and fresh. Special thanks to the owner, Ben, who always do care about his customer.